Ayan mga makulista, update ko lang kayo dito sa ano natin, pinapakabit nating solar battery at saka solar panels. So supposed to be babalik yung technician kahapon, hindi dumating, sa Sunday na lang daw, kaya hindi pa rin natapos itong pinapakabit natin na ano, kasi dapat i-connect nila dito sa main switchboard dito sa likod, dito sa circuit breaker na ito na ilalagay natin dito. So hindi nga dumating, kaya hanggang ngayon hindi natin nagagamit yung solar natin. Okay lang naman yon, hindi ko pa naman binabayaran ng buo, pero sayang nga yung kuryente. Ang taas ng sikat ng araw dito sa amin ngayon ay 30 degrees Celsius, mainit. So sayang yung ma-generate sana na energy, electricity. Go.
Hi guys, today have new answer. I mean, new shirt. New baby. New TV.
New TV, new baby.
A new school.
New school. What else?
No, I want my old school.
Okay. So mga maklista, story time. Kinikwento ni Isaiah kasi mag-start na silang papasok sa sa Lunes, I think, sa Monday. So meron silang bagong bag, bagong shoes, tapos bagong sombrero. Yeah, are you excited, anak? Going to school on Monday?
Later, after breakfast.
So lilipat sila sa Ruti Hill True Colors Childcare. Pilipino din ang may-ari. Tapos syempre nandun si Pen, nandun si
Mommy.
Baby Alon, nandun din sa
No, I don't want to go to baby. I want to go.
So dun
I'm
sila
not baby.
papasok. Ikaw papasok ka na rin? Ha? Pasok ka? Pasok ka, Aya? Baby Aya? Yeah? Hello? Baby Aya? Hello?
Aya.
Hello? Nag-ano yung balat niya, na-dry.
Wait.
Hello, baby Aya. You love your sister? Hello? Hi. Ano na siya ngayon? 29 days old. Dahil pinanganak siya January 1. So today is January 29. Is it, Isaiah?
Yeah. Sorry. The new bottle. New hat.
At syempre, andito rin yung isa. Ito. Ay, not too close, Tali. Step back. I'm gonna show them your hat. So ito yung bagong hat ni Tali. Papasok siya sa school. Diba? Tapos asan yung shoes, anak? Bago din yung shoes niya. Baliktad pa. Tapos yan naman yung shoes ni Kuya. Where's your bag?
I got it.
Ayan yung bag ni Tali. Tapos si Isaiah, show them your bag and your new Crocs. Ayun, ililigpit. Liligpit na daw nila. Oo nga eh. Papakita daw nila yung new shirt nila na hinanger nila kanina. Ay naman si Jaja. Ano niluluto mo, Jaja? Siopaw. Pahingin siopaw tsaka kape, please. Yeah, tsaka kape. Ayun yung coffee machine ni Jaja nandoon. So, unlimited coffee na kami. Thank God. Masarap na kape. Oy, baby. Aya. Cold. Uy, nag-bill Nag-bill Kakapalit ko lang sa'yo. Nag-bill siya. Uy. Kakapalit ko lang sa'yo Nag-ano ka na naman.
It's a gift. It's a gift. Gift na. Birthday gift. Birthday gift.
Hello. Hi. Taba-taba niya. Taba-taba niya. Nagbibila siya.
Dad, video again.
What's that? Oh, are you gonna show them your stuff? The new, your,
Hat.
saan yung hat mo? Saan yung hat mo? Saan? Yabang. Yabang. Siyempre si Ate Tali, ayun na naman siya, oh.
This one.
Naka-ready na naman sa pagkain. Oh, you have 2 hats. Wow. What's the brand? Sonic. And what's that? Paw Patrol. What about your bag and your shirt? Show them. Bali size 4 na si Isaiah.
What did it say?
Street. Tapos may bag din siya. Yung bag niya ay Barbie. Barbie yung bag mo, Isaiah? Barbie? Yung bag mo, Barbie? Your bag is Barbie? Is that Barbie? Ano pa? Dino. Oh, ayan oh. Siyempre. Si Tali, oh ha? Oh. Always present sa pagkain. Yum, yum, yum. Tali. Ayan. 4 ang anakis na makukulit. Oh.
This say.
Street machines. Street machines. Ayos. You love your sister? Ha? Oh, wow. Sinuot mo na.
Oy, alisin mo nga yan. That's for school.
Excited na siya. Sinuot na niya.
Only Thursday.
You can-
Monday ang pasok ng anak.
Thursday pa lang ngayon. Sinuot niya na isusuot niya para sa Monday.
Come on na, kuya.
Oh, dede. Finish it. That's still okay here. Yo, show them. Show them. Ooh, yummy. Grabe. Grabe. Yummy? Nagselos yung isa. Oh. Tingnan mo, gusto niya rin magdede.
If you want.
Ha? Kulang na lang magsasalita ka na. Ha? Ay, sige. Uy. Ano? Pupuyatan mo naman kami ni tatay.
No, ikaw lang, Ski. Huwag mo akong isasama dyan.
No.
Oy, may utang ka sa akin. Doon ako matutulog sa taas.
Hindi mo linulwari yung bata. Ako yung nagpalabas ng bata. Kaya, ikaw magsasalita.
Oy, ako nagpaanak sa'yo.
Hindi. Say tatay naman. No?
Are you duty tonight? You need to pay back time.
Early shift tomorrow.
You'll pay back time. Pay back time. You went out today.
I have to go out again. Tomorrow.
You're taba.
Ay, don't say that, Papa. That's not very nice.
Look at her face. It's taba.
Guys, tatay's not very nice.
Yeah, he's being not very nice to me.
Yeah, he's being mean to Ate
He's very
Sia.
nice.
Oh, see?
Very nice.
See?
Can you pick up the nappy on the floor?
At itong isa ayaw bawat kumakain. Yummy, Tali? Can I have siopaw, please?
Ayun na, Ate's making it. Ayun, look at the
Kain tayong siopaw, guys.
Puro ano tayo. Guys, we need to clean.
Tali, did you cook this? Ate Sia. Oh, guys. Siopaw. Oh, Chinese bun. At saka cold coffee. Yummy. So good.
You know she's like talking now.
Yeah, she can.
You hugging Aya?
Oh, Papa.
You don't need the book.
This book is on her ear. Tatay!
Ah.
This book is on her ear.
Guys, dito kami sa bahay.
Yeah!
Ayan. Saya-saya.
Where's the bag?
Saya-saya, guys. Naming babies.
We have pimples too.
Don't prick it.
Okay. Give me the dede. Can I have it?
No, she's not hungry.
It's quiet.
What's that? Who gave that one?
Tita May.
That's monkey.
No, the orange donkey.
Donkey? No more monkey in the bed. What about you, Tali? Show me yours.
The cat.
What's that?
Cat one.
It's a unicorn.
Let's do cat.
Show me, show them. Ah, yeah. Meow, meow. What about Isaiah? Say, ow, ow.
Oh,
Ow, ow. Is that a dog?
it's a donkey. Orange donkey.
Orange donkey. Oink, oink.
I opened that first. What? How did you open it?
Aren't they supposed to open it?
It's alright. Binigay ni Tita May. Tita May, thank you. Yummy, Isaiah. Can I taste it? I just want to taste it.
Orange flavor.
Orange flavor.
Nah.
Ah, yeah, yummy. Tali is yummy. Eat it. Eat it. Yummy.